Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Synchrony for CareCredit account, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin registering for a CareCredit account with Synchrony, visit the CareCredit website. Look for the apply button on the home page, typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the apply button to start the application process. You will be directed to a new page where you can choose to either log in or create a new account. Since you are a beginner, select the option to create a new account. Fill in the required personal information in the application form. This usually includes your name, address, phone number, and date of birth. Make sure to provide a valid email address for account verification purposes. Read and accept the terms and conditions to proceed. After completing the form, click on the Continue button to move forward. You may be asked to verify your identity with additional questions. Fill in the requested information accurately to ensure a smooth registration process. Once all details are completed, review the information you've provided. If everything looks correct, submit your application. After submission, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your application is being processed. Check your email regularly for updates regarding the status of your application. If approved, you will receive your CareCredit account details via email. Follow any additional instructions provided to finalize the account setup. Once your account is active, you can start using CareCredit for your healthcare expenses. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.